Next up on the workbench today, Moncler Polo shirt. They're made of a very open weaved cotton, and they stress around certain areas and they break open. Obviously being very expensive, we do come across these quite a lot. The stress around more underneath the armpit and around the front seam around your chest piece and around these little bits. See, it's coming in with a little bit of a hole there. So we're going to be working some magic on this and repairing this for the customer, going down the seams and sorting it out for him. So if you've got any Moncler items that might need any repair work such as this, drop me a line. It's michael@jamespersonaltailor.co.uk, and we will gladly give you some advice on that, and I'll post up an after video once I've done this shortly. Thank you. Here we go, all sorted out for him now. All underneath there is all fine now, all repaired. And on the other one, that had gone a little bit as well, so we've sorted that out for him as well. And all repaired up for him. So if you've got any Moncler items that might need some work doing, drop me an email and I will gladly give you some advice. We do offer a postal service if you're not local to us. The shop's in Manchester city centre, but we do have a postal service as well. So if it's minor work like this, some repair work similar to this, drop me a line and I'll give you some advice. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Thank you. Bye bye.